Good morning, students of class 4. How are you? I am Vijay Kumar Das from Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan, Wajidpur, Darbhanga. Today, I am going to dictate you question answers from the lesson Foreign Lands. It is a poem. From this poem, Foreign Lands. Okay, so take out your pen and copies and start writing the question and answers that I am going to dictate you through this video. Okay, are you ready? Now write the question answers, see the video. First of all, let us do fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks to complete these sentences. First, the speaker climbed up. The speaker climbed up a cherry tree. Here, fill cherry tree. Second, he saw the garden in his own house. Own, O-W-N. Okay. Third sentence. The speaker saw a winding river. Listen it. The speaker saw a winding river. Third, fourth, he described the river. He described the river as the sky's blue looking glass. As the sky's blue looking glass. Fifth sentence. The speaker wants to climb a higher tree. Okay. The speaker wants to climb a higher tree. Now let us do question answers. B. Answer these questions. Okay. Your first question is, what did the speaker do when he was up in the tree? Okay. Write your answer. When the speaker was up in the tree, he held the trunk with both his hands. Okay, listen it again. When the speaker was up in the tree, he held HELD. He held the trunk with both his hands. Okay. Now write third question. Pick out the words from the poem that tell us that the speaker is a child. Listen it again. Pick out the words from the poem that tell us that the speaker is a child. Listen. The words are, who should climb but little me. Okay. These words tell us that the speaker is a little child. Next, question number third. Explain why the speaker had not seen such pleasant places before. Explain why the speaker had not seen such pleasant places before. The answer is, the speaker had not seen such pleasant places before because before this he had never climbed up a tree. Okay, because before this he had never climbed up a tree. Now come to question number 4. List all the pleasant places that the speaker saw from the tree. List all the pleasant places that the speaker saw from the tree. Okay, the answer is the pleasant places that the speaker saw from the tree are a garden adorned with flowers, adorned, A-D-O-R-N-E-D, adorned with flowers, the dimpling river, the blue skies, reflection in the river, and the dusty roads. Okay, now come to question number 5. What would the speaker see if he climbed up a higher tree? Listen, if the speaker climbed up a higher tree, he would see the place where the grown up river slips into the sea among the ships, and fairyland fairyland where all the children dine at 5 and their playthings come alive. Okay, okay, student. Today's class is over. You have to learn these question answers. Okay, learn them very well. Thank you.